Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about the best low maintenance short haircuts and hairstyles for working women in 2025. If your mornings are busy, your schedule is packed and you still want to look polished and confident, these styles are made just for you. Short hair is the ultimate time saver. It's easy to style, looks modern, and gives that effortless professional vibe that every working woman loves. You don't need hours in front of the mirror, just the right cut and work that works with your natural texture and lifestyles. Let's talk about a look at some of the most stylish and practical short hairstyles. The classic book, clean, elegant, and always in style. It's perfect for the office or a unique weekend outing. Then there is the pixie cut, which gives a fresh, bold look while requiring almost no effort to maintain. If you like something a bit more relaxed, try a textured crop or a layered bob. Both add volume and movement, making your hair look lively even on your days. Stylish for women with naturally wavy or curly hair, the short shaggy cut is the dream. It's trendy, carefree, and easy to manage. No heat styling needed. Here are few quick tips to keep your short haircut looking perfect looking at week. Use a light styling cream or masses to keep your hair in shape. Trim every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain the style, and don't forget a touch of shine spray before heading out the door. It makes your hair look healthy and polished. These low maintenance cuts are not just practical, they are powerful. They show confidence, independence, and style, all the things that make a working woman stand out. If you are enjoying these hairstyle ideas, make sure to subscribe to Beauty of Women for more videos like this every week. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.